Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting video comes from OpenAI ChatGPT. ChatGPT just couple of days ago introducing custom instruction. What is the new, how to active, and this is available for free or chargeable. So we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start as a laptop screen. So now let's start demonstration. First of all, we need to enter here ChatGPT using username password. Nowadays ChatGPT totally changed as a graphical. Using your authentic email address, you just simply log in here and look at this here. Some of the question ChatGPT. Look at this here, new features introduced, and this feature is absolutely free, no need to pay anything. This is a free users also. I am also free user. So here look at this here, set your custom instruction. Click here your profile picture and look at this custom instruction. After that, you clicking here, you can understand first of all what is a custom instruction and why we need to enable this one and what is the advantage of this custom instruction. So that perspective, as a custom instruction, your thought processing you can put it here, where you base, like your location, what do you work, which types of hobbies you have, subject, accordingly which types of subject you are searching, what is your goal, you can put it here as a custom instruction, and accordingly the ChatGPT are providing you the exactly response. That perspective, the custom instruction is very important. So my background comes here in AI and ML, so I can put it here some of the key points, machine learning, and as a my expectation perspective, I put it here as a my career, what I'm doing and which topic I require. Accordingly I put it here. I'm a data scientist in European Commission, Luxembourg. My mostly focus on speech processing, machine learning and deep learning concepts, and accordingly you can provide me response of each and every question, at least 4 sentences, and then accordingly I'm understand properly, increase my knowledge, and simply save here. And if I ask here significant activity, look at this. After that, we are receiving 3 to 4 points and very easily increase our knowledge as a smart point of view. This is a simple tips and tricks comes from OpenAI ChatGPT, and that one is a custom instruction. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.